Telecommunications. Telecommunication is the process of transmitting information, signals, or data over a distance through various channels or mediums. It enables communication between individuals, devices, or systems separated by space and time. The word telecommunication is derived from the Greek word tele, meaning distant, and the Latin word communicare, meaning to share or to impart. Telecommunications involves the use of electronic or electrical means to transmit information, and it has revolutionized the way people and organizations interact and exchange data. Some key components and technologies in telecommunication include telecommunication network, telecommunication devices, telecommunication protocol. The materials used to produce telecommunication devices and networks can vary widely depending on the specific technology and application. Some common materials include semiconductors. Semiconductors are electronic components like transistors, diodes, and integrated circuit found in phones, computers, and network equipment. And other material that we use in telecommunication is fiber optic cables made from glass or plastic fibers used for high speed data transmission over long distance. And moreover, we use copper cables that are traditionally telephony and broadband internet connections. And we use rare earth metals in the production of electronic components like magnets and capacitors. And we use satellite and spacecraft components that are used in satellite construction. The evolution of telecommunications have their own history to represent over the last 3 centuries. The invention of telephone in 1876, 29 years old Alexander Graham Bell invented the first telephone, and in 1903 he received a patent for his revolutionary new invention. The invention of dial phones. In 1891, the first dial phone was invented by Almond Brown Stoger, who patented the automated telephone exchange dial service. The main goal of this invention was to eliminate human switchboard operators required to make a phone call. The first translating phone call. During March 1926, the first translating phone call became a reality since it was made from London to New York. Area codes. Area codes, which suggest the specific number to call a specific location, were firstly invented in 1946. The invention of touch tone phones. In 1960, the first touch phone was launched and test marketed in Ohio. Particularly of these telephones are they have 10 buttons instead of 12 buttons as they know them today. First email message. The first email message was sent in 1971. However, the term internet was used for the very first time 2 years later, but not with today's concept and meaning. First mobile phone. In 1973, the first mobile cellular phone was introduced by Martin Cooper while working for Motorola. Martin Cooper was recognized as the father of mobile phones, and he was the first individual who made a handheld mobile phone call in public. 2G technology. In 1991, 2G technology, second generation wireless telephone technology, was introduced for the very first time in Finland by Radonija, a Finch GSM global system for mobile communication operator found on September 19, 1988. first SMS message. In 1992, the first SMS message was sent from PC to mobile device through Vodafone GSM. In England, 2001 to till today, the evolution of smartphones have been a great invention in today's generation. Wireless internet technology, Wi-Fi, digital technology, 3G and 4G mobile networks, smartphones, mobile apps, and Android and iOS app development software, cloud computing service, Internet of Things, and a great number of advanced innovation technologies were developed through all these years. As evolution never stops, we were able to see great things happen in future. Top 10 telecom trends and innovations in 2023. Internet of Things, IoT, connectivity technologies, 5G, AI and machine learning, high resolution content, cloud computing, communication models, software defined networks, edge computing, and cyber security. Internet of Things. Internet of Things is based on internet connection and related to high speed connectivity. It increases the quality of living, allows business to increase their profit and improve management. IoT is also beneficial government looking to decrease their information technology. Connectivity technology are constantly evolving and includes both wired and wireless communication. The development of communication technology is critical in today's IT environment, which increase data volume, IoT device, and people using internet. 5G network and technology. 5G technology is next big upgrade in telecommunication network. It provides much higher speed than the previous cellular brand. AI and machine learning are other big telecom trend impact and industry digital transformation require extraction of meaningful information from data gathered by IoT sensors and devices. High resolution content, penetration of smartphone, reliable internet, increased consumption of high quality often. The latest updates in telecommunication sector are IoT telecom market consolidation, democratization of network access, investment in vRAN architectures, new Intel SoC, private 5G adoption in enterprise, new LPWA cellular modules, 3GPP based satellite connectivity, new eSIM iSIM architecture, new eSIM iSIM for tracking application, post quantum security for IoT. Market consolidation for IoT telecom companies. Two major telecom IoT acquisition in 2023 shows the ongoing market consolidation and request of some companies to build a superior end-to-end telecom IoT portfolio. Democratization of network access. The new Open Gate initiative by GSMA launched by MWC 2023 aims to set a universal framework of network APIs that provide developers federate access to global mobile networks. Operation Investigation VRAN. VRAN ecosystem is expanding with more players announcing that they are entering the market, including industry giants such as Samsung, Ericsson, and Maviran. Advantages of telecommunication, global connectivity. People can communicate across vast distance in real time, enabling seamless international collaboration and connection. Information access. The internet and mobile communication have provided easy access to information and knowledge, transforming now people learn and gather information. Business and economy. Telecommunication has revolutionized commerce and trade, allowing business to operate global and efficiently. Social interaction. Social interaction like social media platforms and messaging apps have changed the way of people connect and communicate with friends and family. Remote work education. Telecommunication has enabled remote work opportunities and online education, increasing flexibility and accessibility to people to work in remote areas during the time of corona, which was really a great access for people to work from home and complete their works. Disadvantages of telecommunication, privacy concern. With increase in connectivity, some comes the risk of data breaches and privacy violation. Digital divide. Not everyone has equal access to telecommunication services, leading to social and economic disparities, reliability and coverages. Some remote areas may have limited and unreliable access to the telecommunication service, which creates a great imbalance of usage of telecommunications, where people in large big cities can access telecommunication much quicker than people living in remote areas. High health concern. There have been debates regarding potential health risks associated with prolonged exposure of electromagnetic radiation from wireless devices. All these are one of the big impact that has a disadvantage related to telecommunications. Telecommunication, as they are upgrading to new technologies for the past year to year, there are some areas where they need to look after to cover the health of the people and to overcome these backdrops. In my opinion, telecommunication has very strong security. Strengthening the security measures to protect user data and privacy should be a major concern for telecommunication sector where they access the details and information of every user that using the sector. Accessibility working towards bridging the digital divide by extending network coverage to unserved areas. So they need to extend the service for the areas like remote people who are not having the access of telecommunication. People living in big cities can access telecommunication. So they need to extend their service and coverages for people who are living in remote areas where some people really require the telecommunication. Sustainability innovation that focus on reducing the environmental impact and telecommunication infrastructure and devices. Interoperability ensuring seamless communication between different devices and platforms for better user experience. Affordability making telecommunication service and devices more affordable for a wider range of users, especially in developing regions, can help the telecommunication sector to vast in all the sectors in upcoming future.